Welcome back, family. In today's video, I'm going over one under-the-radar preclinical stage pharmaceutical development company that is targeting a rapidly growing market. And guys, if you're looking for the hottest opportunity in the market to research, you need to watch this video. Before I begin, do me a favor, be sure to smash that like button. It only takes a few seconds and I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future updates. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Videos only for entertainment purposes. Now, let's get right into it, guys. So the company I'm referring to is MIRA Pharmaceuticals Inc. and you can find this company trading on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol MIRA. Before I break down why I think this company could be on the verge of a potential breakout, do yourself a favor, pause this video and add this one to your watch list. So MIRA Pharmaceuticals Inc. is a preclinical stage pharmaceutical development company with two neuroscientific programs targeting a broad range of neurologic and neuropsychiatric disorders. The company's novel oral pharmaceutical marijuana MIRA 55 is currently being developed to treat adult patients suffering from neuropathic pain, anxiety, and cognitive decline often associated with early-stage dementia. They also have an exclusive licensing agreement for ketamine 2, which is a unique patent-pending novel oral ketamine analog under investigation to potentially deliver ultra-rapid antidepressant effects for patients who have not had a meaningful response to conventional treatments, providing new hope for individuals battling treatment-resistant depression and major depressive disorders with suicidal ideation. Now, to better understand why there is so much potential here, let's take a closer look at ketamine and MIRA 55. Starting with ketamine, which is a novel oral ketamine analog. So this is a rapidly acting antidepressant. In the past decade, ketamine has shown to be a first-in-class rapidly acting medication for depression, showing effects in as early as 4 hours rather than 1 to 2 weeks like conventional antidepressants. There's also superior bioavailability. Oral bioavailability is predicted to be 80% based on a model of intestinal absorption and metabolism. There's also more accessibility. Ketamine is being developed to potentially be delivered at home with appropriate conditions, and it is also analog, which means its novel structure and properties are different from existing ketamine. So this is a pretty impressive treatment. Now here's a look at their pipeline. So as you can see, guys, they are positioning ketamine 2 for an initial IND submission in the fourth quarter of 2024 and MIRA 55 in the first half of 2025. And as you can see, guys, they are starting off very strong, and I do think there could be a lot of potential here if they continue to make progress. And this is also why it is a good idea to research this company as soon as possible. Now here's a closer look at MIRA 55. So MIRA 55 is being developed to be the first prescription drug to target the cannabinoid receptors CB1 and CB2 for neuropathic pain, anxiety, and cognitive enhancements without the impurities of marijuana or its side effects such as increased appetite and paranoia. Now here are some of the potential benefits of MIRA 55. First of all, guys, it is synthetic. So MIRA 55 is manufactured rather than extracted or purified. It is also potent. So MIRA 55 offers a wider therapeutic window and increases CB2 activation. It is also positive. MIRA 55 increases efficacy while minimizing the side effects of THC. It is also popular. There is a need for less risky cannabinoid therapeutics like MIRA 55. And finally, guys, it is patent. MIRA 55 is patent pending, aiming for global patent protection. So there's definitely a lot to like about MIRA 55. Now let's go over a few catalysts that just dropped recently. On August 26, 2024, MIRA Pharmaceuticals Inc. announced a major breakthrough in the treatment of neuropathic pain. A recent preclinical study in rats demonstrated that its novel oral ketamine analog, ketamine 2, produced a significant reversal of neuropathic pain induced by nerve ligation, culminating in 100% normalization of pain thresholds at the highest dose. This effect stands in stark contrast to traditional ketamine, which proved ineffective orally under the same experimental conditions. The study conducted at Pharmaceutical Limited utilized a nerve ligation model to replicate human neuropathic pain, specifically investigates mechanical allodynia. The results were compelling. Low oral doses of ketamine 2 led to a significant reversal of pain for 14 and 22 days following the operation. At higher oral dose, ketamine 2 achieved complete normalization of the pain threshold, representing a 100% reversal of the neuropathic pain signal. These outcomes underscore ketamine 2's superior superior efficacy and highlight its potential as a transformative treatment for neuropathic pain, especially compared to oral ketamine, which did not deliver significant pain relief. In light of this compelling data, MIRA Pharmaceuticals is conducting additional studies to evaluate ketamine 2's efficacy in treating cancer-induced depression and neuropathic pain. These studies aim to explore cancer-related indications, which could pave the way for faster regulatory approvals and innovative clinical study designs. MIRA is optimistic that these efforts could demonstrate efficacy in humans as early as 2025. Guys, this is a major win for MIRA Pharmaceuticals Inc. Now, the next catalyst was on September 11, 2024. MIRA Pharmaceuticals Inc. announced that it has selected neuropathic pain as the initial and primary indication for its novel oral ketamine analog, ketamine 2. The company has submitted a request for a pre-investigational new drug meeting with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and anticipates the meeting to occur in November 2024. All ongoing regulatory IND-enabling studies are advancing smoothly, and MIRA remains on track to submit its IND to the FDA by the end of this year, with human trials expected beginning in the first quarter of 2025. Furthermore, guys, the North American market for neuropathic pain treatments is projected to grow to approximately $5.2 billion across the US, Canada, and Mexico by 2030, driven by rising prevalence rates and an aging population and the increasing burden of diseases such as diabetes and chemotherapy-induced neuropathy. So that means they are targeting a massive market and another reason to research MIRA Pharmaceuticals Inc. Now let's turn our attention to the stock chart. So I think the current level the stock is trading at is very tempting. Personally, with the impressive catalyst they just dropped and the fact that they are continuing to make massive strides, this could be the perfect time to research this company. I don't think I've seen a company that is making this much progress in so little time. So do not wait, guys. If you haven't done so already, add MIRA Pharmaceuticals Inc. to your watch list immediately. Once again, here is the ticker symbol. I will have some links in the video description if you want to learn more about this exciting opportunity. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button. I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future updates. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Videos only for entertainment purposes.